Today we will see class 12 macroeconomics unit 9 balance payments lesson 12 balance payments. Learning objectives. 12.1 Meaning of balance of payments. 12.2 Meaning of balance of trade. 12.3 Components of balance of payments. 12.4 Autonomous and accommodating items. 12.5 Deficit in bracket disequilibrium in the balance of payments. 12.1 Meaning of balance of payments. Every government keeps a record of the transaction that takes place between the country and the rest of the world during a given period of time. This record is termed as the country's balance of payments (POP). Balance of payment is an accounting statement that provides a systematic record of all economic transactions between the residents of the country and the rest of the world in a given period of time. BOP is a summary statement in which all the economic transactions between residents and the rest of the world are recorded during a particular period of time in bracket usually 1 year. Who are included in residents? The residents of a country include individuals, firms and government agencies. However, the residents do not include diplomatic staff, foreign military personnel, tourists, migratory workers and branches of foreign companies, even though they work and operate within the domestic territory of the country. Economic transactions. Economic transactions refer to those transactions which involve transfer of their title and ownership of goods, services, money and assets. They are broadly categorized as under 1. Visible items. These include all types of physical goods which are exported and imported. These are called visible items as they are made of some matter or material and can be seen, touched and measured. The movement of such item is open and can be verified by custom officials. 2. Invisible items. Invisible items of trade refer to all types of services like shipping, banking, insurance, etc., which are given and received. These are called invisible items as they cannot be seen, felt, touched or measured. 3. Unilateral transfers. Unilateral transfers include gifts, personal remittance and other one-way transactions. Since these transactions do not involve any claim for repayment, they are also known as unrequired transfers. Capital transfer. Capital transfers relate to capital receipts in bracket through borrowings or sale of assets and capital payments in bracket through capital repayments or purchase of assets. Structure of balance of payments. Balance of payments accounting uses the double entry system for recording the transaction with the rest of the world. Like a typical business account, BOP account also has two sides. One, credit side. All inflows or resources of foreign exchange are recorded on the credit side. 2. Debit side. All outputs or uses of foreign exchange are recorded on debit side. In the accounting sense, BOP is always balanced at trial balance as it is prepared as per double entry system. However, in economic sense, BOP need not always equal. It means BOP can be balanced BOP. BOP is balanced when receipts of foreign exchange are equal to payments of foreign exchange. Surplus BOP. BOP is in surplus when the receipts of foreign exchange are more than the payments of foreign exchange. Deficit BOP. BOP is in deficit when the receipt of foreign exchange are less than the payments of foreign exchange. Quick recap of BOP. 1. BOP is a systematic record of all economic transactions between residents of the country and the rest of the world. It includes transactions relating to visible items, invisible items, unilateral transfers, and capital transfers. 3. It is a flow concept as it is related to a given period of time. 4. It is prepared as per double entry system. Inflows of foreign exchange are recorded on the credit side and outflows on the debit side. (12.2) Meaning of balance of trade. Balance of trade BOT refers to difference between the amounts of exports and imports of visible items (goods). Balance of trade is equal to exports of goods minus imports of goods. Exports are entered as credit (positive) credit items in the POP account, while imports are entered as negative as debit negative items. Both is just a part of POP account and plays a crucial role in deciding the overall situation of the country. BOP is also known as balance of visible trade or trade balance. Balance on balance of trade. The balance of trade need not balance itself. That is, it is not necessary that export of goods is always equal to imports of goods. Balance on boot can also be surplus (positive) or deficit (negative). Surplus boot. If a country exports more goods than what it imports, then the balance of trade is said to be in surplus. Surplus boot. If a country exports more goods than what it imports, then the balance of its trade is said to be in surplus. That is, balance of trade is favorable for the country. Deficit boot. If import of goods exceeds the export of goods, then the country is said to have a deficit boot. That is, balance of trade is unfavorable for the country. Deficit boot. If import of goods exceeds the export of goods, then the country is said to have a deficit boot. That is, balance of trade is unfavorable for the country. Difference between balance trade and the balance payments. Balance of trade and balance of payments are two related terms which are often used in the international economic scenario. However, they should be carefully distinguished from each other as they do not have the same meaning. Let us analyze some of the important points difference between the two. basis, balance of trade, BOT, balance of payments, BOP. Meaning, balance of trade refers to difference between amounts of exports and imports of visible items. It is an accounting statement that provides a systematic record of all economic transactions between residents of a country and the rest of the world in a given period of time. Components. BOT includes only visible items. BOP includes visible items, invisible items, unilateral transfers and capital transfers. Capital transactions. It does not record any transaction of capital nature. It records all transactions of capital nature. Scope. It is a narrower concept as it is only a part of a POP account. It is a wider concept and it includes both settlement. Unfavorable BOT can be met out the favorable BOP. Unfavorable BOP cannot be met out of favorable BOT. Not BOT. Unfavorable BOP cannot be met out of favorable BOT. 12.3 Components of balance of payments. All transactions in balance of payments can be grouped under two broad categories. 1. Current account. 2. Capital account. Let us discuss each of these accounts in detail. Current account. Current account refers to an account which records all the transactions relating to export and imports of goods and services and unilateral transfers during a given period of time. Current account contains the receipts and the payments relating to all transactions of visible items, invisible items and unilateral transfers. Components of current account. The main components of current account are 1. Export and imports of goods, merchandise transaction or visible trade. A major part of transaction in foreign trade is in the form of export and imports of goods in bracket visible items. Payment for import of goods is written on the negative side in bracket debit items and the receipt from export is shown on the positive side in bracket credit items. Balance of these visible exports and imports is known as balance of trade in bracket or trade balance. 2. Export and import of services, invisible trade. It includes a large variety of non-factor services in brackets known as invisible items sold and purchased by the residents of a country to and from the rest of the world. Payments are either received or made to the other countries for use of these services. Services are generally of three kinds: A. Shipping, B. Banking and C. Insurance. Payments for these services are recorded on the negative side and the receipt on the positive side. 3. Unilateral or unrequired transfers to and from abroad in bracket one-sided transaction. Unilateral transfers include gifts, donations, personal remittances and other one-way transactions. These refer to those receipts and payments which takes place without any service in return. Receipt of unilateral transfers from the rest of the world is shown on the credit side and unilateral transfers to the rest of the world on the debit side. 4. Income receipts and payments to and from abroad. It includes investment income in the in the form of an interest, rent and profits. Current account shows the net income. Current account records all the actual transaction of goods and services which affect the income, output and employment of a country. So it shows the net income generated in the foreign sector. Difference between balance of trade and current account. Basis: balance of trade, both current account. Components: balance of trade includes only visible items. Current account records both visible and invisible items. Scope: it is a narrow concept as it is only a part of current account. It is a wider concept and it includes both. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more information.